In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete record types in Salesforce efficiently and securely. Whether you're cleaning up your Salesforce setup or you just need to streamline your records, these steps will help you achieve that in just a few minutes. Let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your Salesforce account. If you're working within a team, make sure you have the proper permissions to delete record types, as this task can significantly impact your database. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll find the Setup option, which is often represented by a gear icon. Clicking this will open the Advanced Setup page. Now that you're in the Advanced Setup area, look for the Quick Find search bar on the left-hand side. This feature is incredibly helpful for quickly navigating the vast number of settings available in Salesforce. Type in Object Manager into the search bar, and once the search results populate, select the object relevant to the record type you intend to delete. With the object selected, you'll see a sidebar populated with different management options. Here, click on Record Types. This section lists all the record types that are associated with the object you've selected. Browse through this list to locate the specific record type that you wish to delete. It's crucial to double-check that you have selected the correct record type, since deleting it is permanent and may affect your data integrity if incorrect. Once you have found the record type, look for a small drop-down arrow next to it. Clicking this arrow will reveal a list of actions you can perform. From these options, select Delete. Before proceeding to the final step, consider taking a moment to review any dependencies or configurations tied to this record type. It's always a good practice to document configurations so that they can be recreated if necessary. After you click Delete, Salesforce will prompt you to confirm your choice. This is your last chance to ensure that you're deleting the correct record type. Be absolutely certain of your decision, as this action cannot be undone. Confirm the deletion, and with that, you have successfully removed the record type from your Salesforce environment. Thank you for following along with today's tutorial on deleting record types in Salesforce. As always, making changes to your Salesforce configuration should be done thoughtfully to ensure the smooth running of your systems. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to subscribe for more Salesforce tips and insights. Until next time, happy managing your Salesforce.